Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Daga, working as plant head at Devi Turnomatics Pvt, Jamnagar. We have purchased LMW machines in 2021. We started with 2 machines and within a year we purchased 12 machines. LMW machines are very accurate and precise. It gives us quality components. We are using brass, SS, aluminium and copper wires in LMW machines. The after sales service is very good here at Jamnagar and Rajkot region. In the case of complaint, they used to solve all the complaints within 24 hours.
My name is Sanjay Mehta. I am working in Devi Turnomatics Pvt, Jamnagar since 1994, and we are using the CNC. First CNC is 2010 with sliding edge CNC, and now we are purchasing the LMW machine in 2021 with 2 machines, and within 1 year we purchased the 12 machines in LMW machines. In good features in LMW machines is edit locks. Edit lock is the in other machines is edit lock is only programming program locks, but in LMW machine is the parameter also lock. Is a good thing about the LMW, and service side also support there in Jamnagar and Rajkot service team.